Hi everyone. So I will be discussing Leetcode 1014 problem, best sightseeing pair. So in this problem, we are given an integer array values, and we have sightseeing spots represented by this values array. So basically, what we have to do is we have to maximize this values of I plus values of j plus I minus j sum. So let's say in this example, the maximum value that we can obtain this term would be 8 plus 5 plus 0 minus 2. So this is values of I, this is values of j, this is I, this is j. So we choose in this and this, and the total would be 11. Now Um, the brute force approach to this problem would be to basically um, check each and every pair. So for this example, 8, 1, 5, 2, 6, we could start from this I0, which is this 8. So we could check I0 and J1. So it would be 8 plus 1 plus 8 plus 1 plus 0 minus 1, which is 8, and then I0 J2, which is 8 plus 5 plus 0 minus 2, which is 11. I0 J3, which is 8 plus 2 plus 0 minus 3, which is 7. I0 to 0 J4, 8 plus 6 plus 0 minus 4, which is 10. This was for I0. Then for I1, J2, I2, J3, I2, J4, and so on till I equals to 4, J equals to 5. So if we see, for this we are requiring 4. In the brute force approach we are requiring 4 calculations. For this 3 calculation, for this 2 calculation, for this 1 calculation. So in a way this is something like um, n minus 1 plus, if n is the length of the values array, uh, which is in this case 5, but in general if it is n, then pn minus 1 plus n minus 2 plus n minus 3, so on till 1. If we add and subtract n here, it would be n into n plus 1 by 2 minus n. So it is something like of n square order. So the complexity of the solution would be of n square. But we want a optimal solution to this problem. So um, an optimal solution basically requires a simple observation, which is we just want to maximize I plus values of I. If we maximize this, then this term would be maximum. So let's discuss with this example. So initially it is this ith is I0 and the value is 6. So it would be 6 plus, and now if we check for, if we just compare from this uh, uh, jth element, which is 1, so it would be 6 plus 4 and 0 minus 1, which is 9. Now when we had, in this case we just had one eye, but now when you are j2 here, j here, then we have to choose from these two um, values. Either we choose this 6 or this 4 such that we get the maximum given that this is the jth index. So in this case we don't have to check for 6 and 4 because that would be a brute force approach. So we want to either choose 6 or 4 as the ith, and considering 3 is the jth, 3 is at the jth index. So we can just check 6 plus just check maximum of 6 plus 0 and 4 plus 1. So the maximum is 6, which means that for this jth index also this would be the ith index. So it would be 6 plus 3 plus 0 minus 2, which is 7. Now again, um, now we know that now again we have to choose from this or this only. For when we have this as jth, we have to choose between this and this because we have already disregarded this 4. So we have to again choose maximum of 6 plus 0 and 3 plus 2. Again it is the maximum is 6. So again I would be here only and j is here. So 6 plus 4 plus 0 minus 3, which is 10, 7. So now again when j becomes this 7, we have to choose either ith as this or this. So now again we would check um, max of 6 plus 0 and 4 plus 3, which is 7, which means that um, this is the now this is the ith index, and this is no longer the ith index, this is the ith index. So would be 4 plus 7 plus 3 minus 4, which is 10. Now if we would have considered this 6 as the ith element, then the answer would have been 6 plus 7 plus 0 minus 4, which is 9. So this would have been 9, but we want maximum. The answer should have been 10, but we would have obtained 9 if we would have considered this 6 as the ith element, which also proves why we only want max of I plus values I. So this is the answer for this test case. And now this is the approach that I have discussed in this through this example, and the time complexity of this problem is simply O of n, because um, um, I'm just looping from this I index from 1 to n, and space complexity is O of 1 because I'm not using any auxiliary space.